Hello everyone. Today's topic is 4 main style of trading and time secret. If you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like and share so that it motivates me to share my knowledge and more trading strategy and my style. So the first style of trading, scalping. Scalping is short-term trading strategy where traders attempt to make a profit from small price movements before and after executing a trade. These sessions can last anywhere between few seconds to an hour. Therefore, scalpers may perform hundreds of transactions on a average trading day in attempt to make a sustainable profit. So the scalping is a quick trade where get in and get out with a small profit or large profit. So the next style is day trading. Day trading is a popular short-term trading strategy that involves the buying and selling of stocks or derivatives with the aim of closing out of the position by end of the day to profit from small movement in price. As a day trader, you can be your own boss. You can trade from home, from an office, or even while traveling. But day trading is not for everyone, and there are some things you should be aware before you start trading in the share market. A day trader can be take your trades in certain time and then he holds the trade until it achieves his target. So the next style is swing trading. Swing trading is short or medium term trading strategy designed to make a profit out of change in price. Typically, a position in a market is held for number of days before it's sold. It's the swing in stock price from one value to another that gives the trading method its name, swing trading. The key is to keep a close eye on the movement in value of various kind of securities so that you can get in level that's appropriate for you and get out of short term later with a profit. However, some traders may choose to keep their position open for a weeks depending on their strategy. Swing trading differs slightly from long-term trading strategy. It is often employed by institutional investors who tend to hold their assets for many years. These investors look to ride the asset price up and down, only cashing out when the asset's value has reached an advancing or mature stage, having risen significantly. So the swing trader, he holds the trades for a day or a week or until the price move in his direction. The next style is position trading. The position trading is long-term strategy where trades can last several years. This style of trading is best suited to traders who have great deal of patience and enjoy taking a long-term view of markets. So the positional trader is a trader who take a trades and hold for a week or a month until it achieves his target. So these are the 4 key styles of trading. So now we are going to see the trading time secret here. So these are the key secret of the timings in your trading. For very short term trading, the analysis should be done in 15 minutes short and your strategy should be in 5 minutes and the positional management should be in 1 minute. For short term, the analysis should be done in 60 minutes, the strategy should be in 15 minutes, and the position management where you enter within 5 minutes. The medium term style of trading, the analysis should be done in daily time frame, and the strategy should be within the 4 minutes, and the positional you take a trade in 60 minutes. For longer term trading, the analysis should be done in weekly chart and the strategy should be within the daily and the position management you should be handled in 4 hours time frame. And these are the key timing for the style of traders who you are. Be a successful trader, be connected. Thank you. Nandri.